To get started, first, press on the extension. You have 5 functions you can use in this extension. I will use Extract Videos. As you can see, we extracted the videos in this page. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, we extracted more. To export this, press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again. Then press Export. We have many different ways we can export the file as. I will export it as HTML. After exporting and downloading the file, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say I want to get the followers of Mr. Beast. First, let's go to the followers. Then, press on the extension. Now we can extract followers and following. Let's press on that. As you can see, we extracted the followers. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, the number increases again. Now, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. As you can see, here is all the followers we extracted.